Whispers of dreams are quiet and still, silent echoes in this room of peace. In this moment, my worries cease. Stars twinkle like secrets in the sky, soft lullabies where our dreams abide. In the night, where shadows gently fall, I close my eyes and forget it all. In the silence of the night we find calm, with the world asleep in a tranquil song. Every note is like a gentle caress, guiding us to a place of rest. Over the hill, but for now every heart beats still. In this hush where our souls can heal, in this quiet the world is real. The wind outside is a tender embrace, nature's sigh in this loving place. Candles flicker like a dance of peace in this midnight gentle release. Close your eyes and let the calm remain in this haven away from pain. Lost in the music where sorrow fades, join me now in this serene cascade. Moonlight dances on my windowsill. Whispers of dreams are quiet and still, silent echoes in this room of peace. In this moment, my worries cease. Stars twinkle like secrets in the sky, soft lullabies where our dreams abide. In the night, where shadows gently fall, I close my eyes and forget it all. In the silence of the night we find calm, with the world asleep in a tranquil song.